Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here on a somewhat nice day. It's a little bit cool, but at least it's sunny and dry. I'm going to start prepping some seeds. Maybe a little bit late to the party, but hopefully not too late. So I got my handy dandy toilet paper rolls that I've chopped up into the little containers. If you haven't seen me talk about these before, I've got actually I think several videos where I talk about this. So check out the channel for some of the older ones. But basically I just end up putting some compost or soil into these, and then I use these as my starters. Once the plants start getting bigger, I will often plant them out into bigger containers like that. But these stack really nice in these little crates that I've got. So you know, once they're full with soil, they'll obviously kind of stack real nice. So I'm gonna go fill these up. I got a bunch more to make, and then I'll kind of show you guys when I've got all the seeds ready to go. How I'm going to be laying them out in the tray. A few quick words about the soil I'm going to be using now. It's just going to be straight compost. This is actually from the compost pile here at my in-laws place, and you can see my father-in-law's actually kind of upgraded the sides using this old sheet metal. He ended up building a new garage door, so this is from the old one, kind of reclaimed, and yeah, it's going to be kind of like a more contained. He was using old pallet wood, but it had really started rotting away. So this should be pretty nice. We, you know, throw all our kitchen scraps in there, leaves, grass clippings, everything that they put in there, and then it just turns into great soil, like you see here. So I'm going to be using this and filling them up and show you guys what it looks like. So there you have it. Like I said, I got a bunch more toilet paper rolls that I gotta cut up and get filled up, but this is what it'll look like. And you know, we'll be able to just start the seeds right in here. I'm gonna keep this video short just because I got kind of a lot going on, and I'm actually working on a little mini greenhouse, a cold frame for these guys, which I really need to finish, so I don't want to spend too much time on this video. But I will show you guys later. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see where I'm going to put these once the seeds are in, and in the next couple days. I might bring them in the house just to get them like really nice and warm. It has been freezing still at night, so I'm going to get this inside, probably the garage, and then get the seeds planted. I'll leave them inside for a few days, and then I'll bring them into the cold frame, which should hopefully be done in the next couple days. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. And yeah, hopefully everybody's starting their seedlings for the spring. I'm going to be hopefully starting some chilies and some tomatoes, and I want to do eggplant this year as well. So my eggplant last year just didn't do anything. I started them way too late. I don't know if it's already too late now. It's the very end of March today, so we'll see. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in another one soon. Hope everybody's well. Bye.